Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is if x to the power 2 times x plus 16 is equal to 8 times x to the power x, then find the value of x plus 1 over x. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of this algebraic expression from this exponential equation. Our given algebraic equation is x to the power 2 times x plus 16 is equal to 8 times x to the power x. So student, now we can transpose 8 times x to the power x from right hand side to left hand side. Then the left hand side will becomes x to the power 2x minus 8 times x to the power x plus 16 is equal to 0. On the left hand side of this equation, to simplify this term, we have to apply the formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. So according to this formula, we can write in the first term x to the power x whole to the power 2 minus, again we have to write 8 times x to the power x plus, again we have to write 16 is equal to 0. Now we have to arrange the left hand side of this equation in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now we can write on the left hand side x to the power x whole to the power 2 minus 2 times x to the power x times 4 plus 4 to the power 2 is equal to 0. So student, according to this formula, we can write from the left hand side x to the power x minus 4 whole to the power 2 is equal to 0. So student, according to zero product rule, we can write from this equation x to the power x minus 4 is equal to 0. After that, we have to transpose minus 4 from left hand side to right hand side. Then this equation will becomes x to the power x is equal to 4. And after that, we can write from this equation x to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 2. After comparing on both sides of this equation, we get x is equal to 2. But we have to find the value of x plus 1 over x. So student, now we can put the value of x is equal to 2 in this algebraic expression. So we can write in here 2 plus 1 over 2 is equal to, we can write in here 4 plus 1 over 2. Then you get 5 over 2. So student, the value of x plus 1 over x will be 5 over 2. That is 2 and 1 over 2. This is our final answer. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.